Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we are going to see if it's all over for AXS, AXIE INFINITY, and we are going to correct from now on. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. You will get easy profits. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more guys, and you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Also join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well, and of course hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's go now quickly to our technical analysis. And you can see here we lost the 23 Tether USD we had as a support level yesterday, and now we are going all the way down to probably 19.5, around 19.24, 19.5 for sure. Mark my words there. We are going there, and of course we might be going a little bit lower. We will see about that though, and I will tell you things that happen when an impulsive wave is over and we are going down. Okay, I will tell you these things. Right now on the MACD we haven't lost anything yet. We are holding these support levels right here, but if we go all the way down, guys, from this support level right there, then it's all over. Okay, if according to the MACD indicator, of course, that is not according to other indicators as well. Okay, so for now you have to be a little bit careful because we might be going down more and more. You don't want to invest right now. It is not something you want to do. Not a financial advice, of course. My advice, guys, you can do whatever you want. I'm just advising you that you should stay away from AXS. If you want to just invest right now, just please be careful. Okay, so for now you can see that the volume increased a little bit and now it is decreasing again. We had a decreasing volume with a higher high pattern. Let's go a little bit to the 4-hour frame on the RSI. You can see that the RSI has lost its higher low pattern right here, and it goes all the way down, maybe below the 30. We will see about that. How long can we go? How further can we go down? For the moment, it doesn't look good. The pattern right here that we are going down, it doesn't look good for the RSI, for the commodity channel index as well, and for the stochastic RSI, we are near the bottom. You can see here, we are near the bottom, but it doesn't matter because probably we might have lost some pretty solid support levels till the time being for AXS, but we will see about that. We will discuss every detail, guys, if it's all over or not. Do not worry about that. You can see the 20-day MA has gone a little bit down. We are down from the 20-day MA. In all of the impulsive wave, we were above the 20-day MA. Now we are down, and it is another bearish moment right here for AXS. Let's go to daily frame. On the daily frame, I will just remove the drawings. We had to short our position here according to the SSL HYBRID. Actually not, it disappeared. The red arrow right here disappears. I don't know why. Either way, guys, we had a buying opportunity there. We will see a red arrow soon around here. We had the shooting star candle on the daily frame. If I close the SSL HYBRID, you will see the shooting star candle, guys. Huge sell pressure. That means probably that the bull run, sorry, guys, is over. Okay, so for now you can see that according to the Bollinger bands, we were approaching the top line of the Bollinger bands all the way. It was something that we should do, and we would do, guys, in an impulsive wave. We don't care if we are near the top line of the Bollinger bands, because as you know, in a normal market when we are near the top line of the Bollinger bands, we usually consolidate, right? And you can see that we usually consolidate, and now we went along the top line of the Bollinger bands, then we corrected. Now we had huge sell pressure. Now it is the time to sell your position in case you have bought a little bit lower. Just it is the right time to sell, in my opinion, guys. I don't want to drag you out on this, but I'm just saying that I think we are probably going down from here. Commodity channel index is going now into the normal limits again, below the 100. You can see here inside this gray area, it was above the gray zone right there because we had a very extreme overbought situation. This is what happens in an impulsive wave though, absolutely normal. And now we are going back to the gray zone. Same here for the RSI. Inside the purple zone we will go, and the stochastic RSI will go into the purple zone again. You can see about that. And right now let's go to AXS, guys, Bitcoin chart. Oh, before we go there, actually, let's go to the MACD. You can see the angle is getting more horizontal, meaning that we might see a bearish cross pretty soon for AXS in the next days. Okay, So we are going now to AXS Bitcoin chart. You can see that we are losing the 20-day EMA support level here as well. RSI is dropping down furthermore. Therefore, the commodity channel index as well, you can see it is dropping down as well. Stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation, but that doesn't matter. We have lost. Maybe we are going to lose actually some important support levels. We will see about that on the 4-hour frame. And you can see on the 4-hour frame that on the MACD, according to the MACD, we are absolutely fine yet. We don't have anything to worry about, but only for the MACD. Let's go to AXS Bitcoin chart. You can see on the, not on the weekly frame, guys. I want to go to the daily frame. Huge sell pressure right here. We might be going a little bit downwards. You can see there the our stochastic RSI. It looks identical actually to the USDT chart. You can see that the AXS Bitcoin is above the 100 for the commodity channel index, above the 70 for the RSI. And now we can go to the price analysis. I don't want to have the Bitcoin chart next to the AXS because I believe whatever Bitcoin does, if this is the end of the impulsive wave, then we will correct. Whatever Bitcoin will do, we will just correct. Okay, so for now, I believe the next step is to go to 19.5 around there, Tether USD, and maybe to 16. Once we go to 16, once we go into this area, if this is the end of the impulsive wave, then once we go there, I believe we will see a significant swing high again. And let's see, guys, where we will stop. Let's assume that the 16 Tether USD is the bottom line before we see the swing high. So if I draw the Fibonacci retracement to the 16 Tether USD to the 0.5, you will see that we might be going to 26.3, then correcting right there. If we stop, guys, around, let's say that I will just delete this Fibonacci retracement. Let's say that we drop down to 13 before we are having a very absolutely swing high, very significant actually swing high. Then you can see that if I draw the Fibonacci down to the 0.618, we will probably stop around 25 Tether USD. It happens all the time, guys. We are having an impulsive wave, then we are having a correction going on. And after the correction, we are just seeing a swing high. We have a very quick correction right there. We see a swing high and then a swing low again, and then we correct all the way. Okay, it happens all the time. Do not worry if you see that. And of course, you can revise some when we go down to below 30 for the RSI probably, or below minus 100 for the commodity channel index. Right, so right now, guys, you can see that we have the Fibonacci retracement to identify major support levels, and here we are. We have these as support level, this rectangle right here. You can see that for the AXS we are going for sure there. Trust me, mark my words, guys. We are going to 19.2 to 19.5, even further down if we can't hold some major support levels. Okay, so our next support levels are the 16, 13.4, 13 around there, Tether USD, and 19.3. You can see that, and we want to see if we can hold these lines right there. And of course, guys, for AXS, this will mean that if we lose even the 19, then it's probably for sure over. Now we have more chances for this impulsive wave to just to have the top around 30 Tether USD and then fall down rather than going upwards. Okay, so according to this, I'm seeing right there, the chances are to go even lower to 19, even to 16 Tether USD. You don't want to do anything right now. In case you want to just reinvest, only do it when we make this as a support level. When we make the previous high right here, 29.2 as a support level, then you can reinvest and we go to 35 Tether USD, but only when we do that, because you can see that this is looking bearish. So this is looking bearish for AXS because it is the first time we are going below the 20-day EMA. The 20-day EMA has more horizontal angle, and you can see that it wants to cross down the 50-day EMA. And so we have the RSI falling down into lower levels that when we have an impulsive wave, we don't see RSI usually at 48 or maybe lower. If we see the RSI dropping lower, then this is the end, right? And you can see the commodity channel index is also dropping so fast down. Okay, so according to my opinion, guys, things aren't looking good. But if you want to just reinvest there and you trust AXS, just wait a little bit till we reach some lower support levels, then you can get in again, because after going to 16, 13 around there, we will get a significant swing high towards the upwards. Okay, so if you want to make a really nice swing trade right there, then I suggest you to do that. For the time being, just wait a little bit, because even if you see a green candle right there, we will just drop down even more. I believe we might see a green candle due to the stochastic RSI being below 20, but in overall we will just correct. Okay, so mark my words right there, we are going to 19 Tether USD for AXS. I just want you to be careful and not FOMO in right now. Okay, be careful guys, do not FOMO in right now. This is not a financial advice, but this is my advice as well for the AXS. We should be careful right now. We had huge buying pressure, you can see here on the 4-hour frame, same on the daily frame, sell pressure. I said buying pressure, I think huge sell pressure on the daily frame as well, and you can see that we formed this red bearish candle right there, huge sell pressure again, and we want just to maintain beyond. For now, we just want to make sure that we may remain far away from investing in AXS, okay, because right now we are correcting and you can find a very nice and better price to get in right now. Just wait till we get to these support levels, and I can see what I'm suggesting and what I'm assuming that will happen. We will probably go down here to 16 or maybe 19, but most likely 16, around there to 13, and we will find huge buying pressure and we will go upwards. Okay, so mark my words about that. And of course, if this impulsive wave hasn't ended yet, which is unlikely, but if it hasn't, then just wait till we make this support level, then you can get in and of course sell at the 35. It is a very nice swing trade you can have around 20%, so do not be greedy. For me guys, you should wait for now. Thank you for watching. Join our monthly subscription, link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities and more benefits. Check it out, and also join our Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you, see you soon, bye.